If you're over 40 and feel like YouTube's algorithm is working against you, well, here's the truth. You don't need tricks. You just need to help the viewer, and YouTube will help you. Now, the algorithm isn't a judge, it's a matchmaker. It shows videos that people are most likely to click and keep watching. That's it. Your job, make it easier. Now, there are 3 levels you control. CTR, that's click-through rate. Your title and thumbnail earn the click. Next is retention. Your content keeps attention. That's the average viewer duration. And then session. Your video naturally leads viewers to a next video or playlist. Work these levels and the algorithm becomes your partner. Lever number 1, or level number 1, depending upon what I just said. Click-through rate. Let's fix clicks first. One viewer, one problem, one promise. Talk to a single person with a specific pain. How to film your first video without fancy gear. Clarity beats clever. Curiosity is great. Confusion kills click-through rate. So title, thumbnail pairing. Your title states the promise. Your thumbnail shows it. If the title says film your first video today, the thumbnail should show a simple phone on tripod setup with a start today text. Age positive positioning. Finally, a step-by-step with no jargon. Your life experience is a feature, not a bug. And here's a quick exercise. Draft 3 titles and 3 thumbnail concepts before you hit record. You'll film tighter because you know the promise. Lever number 2, retention. Retention is how long people stay. So here's a system. 7-second hook, some people say 3, but 7-second hook, state the win and why it matters. In 10 minutes, you'll set up your channel and publish your first short. Beat map, this is bullet point logic. Intro, step 1, step 2, step 3, recap, next video. No meandering. I have a problem meandering. My apologies. Rehooks every 60 to 90 seconds. Coming up, I'll show you the exact Canva template I use. I'll talk more about that later. See what I just did there? Trim rate. Trim the friction. Cut the long intros or the repetitive B-rolls and the extra music. Just keep it moving. Pattern interrupts. A quick zoom, on-screen checklist, relevant B-roll, or screen demo. Teach in chunks, your content pyramid, so to speak. Start with a simple outcome, then layer detail for those who stay. Here's a tip. When editing in Filmora, skim your timeline for any 5+ second gaps with no value. Just tighten it all up. Tighten it all up. Lever number 3, lever number 3, a session. YouTube loves when viewers keep watching. Help them. End screens point to a logical next step, not just another video. Pinned comments. If you set up your channel today, watch this next to design your first thumbnail. Playlist as a journey. Name them like outcomes from 0 to first 100 subs, stuff like that. Now that was from Adam Ivy's Content Runway, connected videos that naturally lead forward. So let's bust a myth. Myth busting. Saturation and age. A saturated niche usually means the topic is broad, your edge, your angle, and your story. At 40 plus, you've solved real problems. Bring that clarity to your viewer. Instead of productivity, try productivity for teachers returning to YouTube. First-time creators after 40. Stuff like that. Here's a tactical weekly workforce that you can use. It's a repeatable plan you can follow every week when you make a video, 1 per week. First, research, 20 minutes. List your viewers' top 3 pains. Choose 1, not 3. Next, title and thumbnail draft, 15 minutes. Write 3 title options, 3 thumbnail sketches, and 3 in Canva. Hook outline, 10 minutes. 1 sentence outcome and 1 sentence why it matters. Then record, 30 to 60 minutes. Talk to 1 person. Keep steps tight. Edit for retention. Take 45 to 90 minutes to do this. Cut 10%. Add pattern interrupts and on-screen checklists. And then there's the end screen and the playlist, 5 minutes. Point to the next logical step. A quick analysis check, make that about 10 minutes. Check and see if your CTR rate is low, and then improve the thumbnail after you've, of course, uploaded it and let it run a few days. If there's a retention dip at 30 seconds, tighten the intro. That's how you work the algorithm, by designing for the viewer at every step. YouTube isn't looking for perfect, it's looking for helpful. Start with 1 clear problem and 1 clear promise, then upload the next helpful video. And just like I told you, check out one of these next. Wait, one of these. That one. See what I did there?